السلام عليكم رمضان مبارك سعيد. صراحة it's a pleasure for us to be part of this Zenith School. So today, I mean, we were present with the kids, and it was like celebrating the Ramadan feast and also all the things. I mean, I really appreciate the help of the teachers in the school. And Madam Shatar, she's doing a great job with all the team, and really we feel that the kids, they are like having fun, and also they have I mean a lot of things to learn. I have two kids, I mean Ala and Imran, and really they enjoy coming to school, and also they enjoy the time that they are spending in the school. And really, I mean, I'm very happy, and I feel that they will stay together with the school, and also appreciate all the support that I mean all the administration staff they are doing to the kids. It's really very nice, and I hope all the best to Zenith School and all the members, and thank you very much.